How to use Facebook Marketplace. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook application, tap these three lines here, and then click Marketplace. Now you have two options here, sell and categories. Now, if you go to categories, you can see here local listings, buy and sell, and other options. If you want to sell, you just have to tap sell, and you can see here create new listing. You can see here items, vehicles, homes for sale or rent. So let's just say I want to tap items because I will be selling phone here. So this is what it looks like. Now you have to add a photo. Of course, you have to your original photo. I mean, the item that you're about to sell. For example, this one. So you have to create a title here, your price, category, cell phones. Okay, you can select condition. You can select use like new, use good, used fair, or new. So I'm going to tap used like new. And then description, you just have to type description here. You can go to location, you can edit that, more details. You can simply answer by tapping this arrow facing them. You will have the choice on how to answer this, like device name, brand, something like that. Listing options, you can hide from friends, boost listing after publishing, list in more places, additional listing options. Now, once you're done and sure with the item that you're about to sell, all you have to do is just simply click publish. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.